Episode 202, Agent Mode for Word and Excel.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already have proved very useful.
AI is a golden opportunity.
How do we ensure that this technology is regulated?
The long arc of technological history is now in an extraordinary new phase.
The AI 6 podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
I have to admit, I'm not a huge fan of Microsoft Excel and often ask my accountant daughter to create formulas for me. But now with the newly launched Agent Mode, the new feature in Microsoft Excel and Word, I might just be able to master it myself. It's designed to bring advanced agentic AI assistance directly into Microsoft Office apps. Hello and welcome back to AI 6, the podcast that teaches you AI in just 6 minutes a day. I'm your host, Joanne Sweeney. So Agentic Mode lets users describe end goals or tasks in natural language. So essentially, we describe what we want Microsoft Word or Excel to do. And Copilot's AI iteratively builds, edits and refines documents or spreadsheets, moving far beyond single-step command execution. It gives multi-step reasoning, automation, and also verifies our results. If you're a bookkeeper or an admin master, my friend, you will want to upskill in AI and make sure that you remain relevant. So let's get into what it can do, the capabilities of it, first in Excel. So Agent Mode allows anyone, not just experts, so I put myself in that bracket, to model complex data, analyze sales, financials, build dashboards, automate calculations by simply describing what is needed. And my friends, I'm a storyteller. This is where my zone of genius is. I am super excited that I can now brief Excel to create any sort of financial, mathematical, data-driven dashboard formulation that I need. The AI speaks Excel, working natively with formulas, pivot tables, charts, and conditional formatting. Results are not just generated, but they're also validated and refined through agentic reasoning, so errors are caught and resolved iteratively. And that's really important. In Word, Agentic Mode makes writing highly conversational, so the user can ask for drafts, outline structures, rewrites, shift the tone, and of course, format it. The AI acts like a content collaborator, asking clarifying questions, fixing issues, and iterating until a professional result is achieved. So this is very interesting because, as you know, we're currently using tools like Jasper, Claude, ChatGPT, even just Copilot itself as a chat agent to actually write things for us. But Word, we trust Word. We've been using Word since, the 90s, right? So how do you access it? Agent Mode in Excel is currently available to enterprise Microsoft 365 Copilot license holders or those of you with personal family premium subscriptions. It's accessible via the Excel Labs add-on for the web. On your local desktop, it has support and additional languages. And of course, future releases are planned. For Word, users can access Agent Mode by opening Word, the web version only for now, signing in with a Frontier-enabled account and selecting Copilot from the sidebar or on the Home tab. Then choose Agent Mode under Tools. So how can you use it? Well, here are some use cases you should try out. Run a full analysis on a sales data set. Export something from your CRM or a sales dashboard, whatever you're using. For me, I want to understand important insights for my business to make it visual. Lifetime value of the customer, predicting future sales, what category of product and service my revenue is coming from. So this will give me real focus because as a small business owner, I'm very involved in the day-to-day operations. So taking a helicopter and a more strategic view will be easier with these agentic AI tools. In terms of Word, you could ask it to draft a policy memo about digital transformation, set a professional tone, and organise sections logically to take your stakeholders at that meeting right through the digital transformation process that you are proposing for the organisation. The agent mode will structure it, it'll format it, and again, engaging in that conversation just makes it feel less laborious and more lightweight. So with agent mode integrated natively into Word and Excel, agentic planning and integrated verification, it really will become such a valuable tool. And because we're using Word and Excel every day, this AI-powered add-on is just going to make sure that we are even more efficient. And there's a new AI agent feature coming to PowerPoint. Remember, agent mode is only available in the web versions of Word and Excel for now. It works only when the document is open and it doesn't integrate with other files or external data sources yet. And of course, it's part of Microsoft's Frontier Early Access program for premium Copilot subscribers. So this is a big leap forward in bringing agentic AI capabilities to everyday productivity tasks and software. It's exciting, right? I mean, the last 5 episodes, I think, have all been around agentic AI, an indication that that is where our attention and our skills and our competencies should be directed. That's it for today's episode of AI 6. If you enjoyed it, please share it with a pro that you know. And don't forget that the perfect companion to this podcast is my new book, AI Playbook, available to buy on Amazon, or if you're in Ireland, go ahead and check it out on aimarketingplaybook.ie. I'm Joanne Sweeney. I'll talk to you tomorrow.